Hi, I'm Betsy. I'm here to do a presentation on the topic dispersion of light from the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. So let's get started. This is a prism, a triangular glass prism. It consists of two triangles and three rectangles, two at each sides and one at the bottom. Let's see how a prism refracts. Refraction of light through a glass prism. Imagine this to be the ray of light. We expect it to go in a straight line. But we have studied in the last chapter, that is light reflection and refraction, that light, when it enters from a rarer medium to a denser medium, the light ray bends towards normal. This is normal and it bends towards normal. The light travels from air, which is a rarer medium, to glass, which is a denser medium. So refraction takes place. The refracted ray, this ray, comes out of the prism, that is from glass to air, that is denser medium to rarer medium. So light rays bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. This is the normal. It bends away from the normal. Our incident ray entered into glass prism like this. It refracted inside the prism and came out of the prism after second refraction like this. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is angle of incidence. The angle between the refracted ray and the normal is angle of refraction. And the ray that comes out after second refraction, this ray is called emergent ray. And this angle that is between normal and the emergent ray is angle of emergence. And this angle is angle of prism, denoted by capital letter A. And now if we extend incident ray and the emergent ray, they both meet at a point. And the angle between these two lines is called angle of deviation, denoted by capital letter D. White light is a mixture of colors. When it travels through a prism after refraction, it comes out as a band of 7 colors: Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Isaac Newton was the first to use a glass prism to obtain a spectrum of light. And what exactly is a spectrum? Band of colors is called spectrum. Different colors of light bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray as they pass through a prism. The red light bends the most while violet bends the least while violet bends the most. Red has high wavelength, but it has less refraction, while violet, which has a less wavelength, has high refraction. So the colored component is called spectrum and the phenomena is called dispersion of light. Splitting of white light into its constituent colors when passed through a glass prism is called dispersion of light. Isaac Newton performed another experiment to confirm this, in which he tried to split colors of spectrum of white light further using another prism. But he could not get any more colors. He then placed a second identical prism in an inverted position with respect to the first one, as you can see it on the screen. When he passed a ray of white light through it after refracting 4 times, it came out of the prism as a white light. This observation gave Newton the idea that sunlight is made up of 7 colors, and any light that gives a spectrum similar to that of the sunlight is often referred as white light. By hearing about 7 colors, you might be having a fascinating question in your mind. Yes, the rainbow. How are rainbows formed? Yes, it is due to dispersion of light. We usually see rainbows after a slight shower, isn't it? Our atmosphere contains many water droplets after rain. When sun's rays passes through them, dispersion occurs. It occurs in 3 steps: refraction, total internal reflection, and again refraction. After the second refraction, it comes out of the droplet as 7 colors. Rainbow is one of the most beautiful natural phenomena, but I'm not that lucky enough to see it yet. But if you really want to see a rainbow, you should turn your back towards the sun. That means you should be standing between the sun and the rainbow and make sure that there are water droplets present in the atmosphere. Our planet has a lot more fascinating phenomena. How lucky we are to live in such a beautiful place. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.